Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Auxiliary Views lesson. Open the Auxiliary Views part and make a new drawing. Use the A landscape sheet size and turn off the sheet format. From the View palette, add a front, top, and right views. Change the view's display style to Hidden Lines Visible. From the View Layout tab, select the Auxiliary View command. In the front view, select the edge indicated and locate the auxiliary view. Repeat for the second edge. Resize and locate the view orientation arrows. Click on Model Items to import the part's annotations. Arrange the dimensions and annotations as indicated. Using the Smart Dimension tool, add the missing dimensions in both auxiliary views. Dimension the slot's size and location as shown. From the Annotations tab, select the Center Mark tool. Select the slot option and select the slot indicated. Select the Centerline tool and add the center lines to all views. From the Layers toolbar, select Layers, add a new layer, and add all annotations. Save the drawing and close the file.